Hey, it's Melissa Thompson with Crye-Leike Realtors in your Key to Memphis, and today I just want to give you another market update report. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Well, welcome back. I just want to tell you about the numbers for April that we've seen. And again, the market's just ticking up and up. So we think this will be another good year for everything too. So there are 1,664 sales recorded in the month of April, which is up 13% from this time last year. The average sale prices were up 7%. So think about that. Memphis as a whole is usually about 5%. And last year we saw like over 7% from last year to this year, which is good. Total home sales are up 21%, which I know inventory is low. It seems crazy that it could be up that high, but it really has been. Now that number is just specific for April. So for the month of April, we were up that much compared to this time last year. And 36% of all purchases were investors, for whatever that's worth. Prices over $500,000 are actually up in the month of April. They were up 26% compared to this time last year. And new home construction, actually, the average sales price for new home construction right now is $394,000. We're seeing most of that heavily in Carnival, actually, so you can see all the new construction that's going on there. But that's the average price point. Of course, it varies everywhere, but just things are more and more expensive to build. So that's just an overview for the Memphis market. So if you want information to drill down again in your subdivision, your area, just reach out and let us know. I'm happy to help in any ways. Thanks so much and have a great day.